Hey, what's going on, everybody? Santiago here. Happy Monday. Pretty exciting to wake up this morning. Very busy weekend this weekend. But as I told you guys last week, when I initially activated these bots, roughly around 11 days ago, so you guys can see 11, 12 days ago on some of them, they were in the red. The investment change, which I tell you guys, this section right here just basically indicates the value of the cryptos that are right here, the two pairs. Saying that USDT is one of them. It eliminates half of the risk. Saying that USDT is a stable coin that's relative to $1, one USDT or Tether is the same as $1. So we eliminate half the risk with these two. So we're seeing the investment change, which is the totality, is the bot profit plus the value of the crypto. In this example right here, we see that the bot profit generated was 12.60, but the investment change is 10.56. So what this basically indicates is that the investment change, meaning the value of this particular crypto, OM, dropped by roughly 2%, but because of the 12% that the bot generated, it still resulted in an overall profit in this section right here. So that's why it's important when we teach, and what we teach, that not only you use the bot, because the bot can generate profit, doesn't matter where the market goes up or down, but we also emphasize picking the right cryptos so that not only is the bot profit going up, but also the investment change as well. Now, if you guys look at the rest of them, all of them, with the exception of, I believe, one of them is not, sorry about that. All with the exception of one of them is not in profit, as you guys can see, which is this one right here. I can shift this down a little bit. We can see some of the other ones. But yeah, 15 bots, you know, some as high as over 10%, 11% total investment. And then the averages, as you guys can see, are looking phenomenally. I look for anything over 0.5 for a day average as being awesome. And as you guys can see, there's quite a few of them that are 0.5% profit daily. All right, so going really, really well. As you guys know, we get these from the signals. So if you guys don't even know which pairs to pick, we tell you what pairs to pick. We tell you what strategies to use. And then we have our daily live sessions where we show you guys exactly what we do. So go on over to www.santiagoacademy.com. You guys will be able to get the premium signals. As you guys can see, the data behind the signals has been spot on. Over 78% since launching the signals. Our daily live sessions are 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm really excited about today's session. A lot has taken place over the weekend that I want to discuss with you guys. And then Tuesdays, for anybody that's not inside the Academy and wants to get an inside look at what we got going on, well, guys, all you have to do is go on to www.ignitewithjoel.com, and you'll be able to meet me, the rest of the founders, get all your questions answered, as well as see what all the hype is about. Our Santiago Academy token will be deployed within the next, I want to say, few weeks, but it could take a couple months. As we continue to test this token of ours, just to ensure that the long-term strategy that we have cannot be compromised. But for those of you guys who want a first mover's advantage and be part of the community before we officially launch, you guys can go on over to the website, and then you'll be able to find the Telegram link right there. Now, before I let you guys go, I want to give a huge shout out to all the founders here at the Academy. Scroll down so you guys can see who these individuals are that make this all possible. And before letting you go, I am going to go on over to my Facebook page, guys, because there's some of us that have been watching my videos but have yet to get started. Well, I understand that $100 worth of crypto for some people is a lot, okay? Considering you have to, if you're using the education, you're going to need to open up an exchange wallet, and you're going to have funds in there. We recommend about $200 to $300 to trade with. So again, for some people, that is a lot. Well, folks, I've been posting this on my social media page. We've been giving out free scholarships. And the way that the program works, you have to be super serious with a desire to learn. You have to be able to invest at least an hour per day for at least 4 days a week. I know that can be a lot for many people, but when we talk about financial freedom, when we talk about creating that additional nest egg to help us during uncertain times, well, 1 hour, in my opinion, is just the tip of the iceberg, okay? I've invested a lot more time into this, which has resulted in the success that I'm having, and the same for the members. But I understand that many of us have a job or 2 jobs, too busy, but at the end of the day, what we do outside of these jobs is going to determine how soon we get out of that, and is going to put us on the right track so that we can eventually trade full-time, or again, as I mentioned, even a couple $100 additionally into the household monthly can make a world of difference. So guys, if that is you, find me on social media, Joel Santiago. Find me on YouTube, SantiagoAcademy.com, or you can send me an email at joelmasterws@yahoo.com. Again, that's Joel, JoelMasterws@yahoo.com. Tell me you're serious. Tell me why you think you're serious and why it should be you. I'll look into it. We're picking roughly around 1 or 2 people every week, every 2 weeks, a couple people per month, ladies and gentlemen, 2 to 4 people, or sometimes more per month that are serious about this. But if you're not serious, then don't waste your time, okay? But for everybody else that's ready to get started right now, that has what it takes, including the $100 of crypto, go on over to www.santiagoacademy.com. Get started today, and I'll see you guys on the inside. God bless. Much success to you all. Bye.